Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin on the phone itself. Charge it above 50% and join a stable Wi-Fi network so downloads don't fail. Next, back up your photos and contacts now to cloud or PC because updates can wipe data. Once done, open Settings, tap About Phone, then System Updates. This is where Oppo pushes OTA packages. You'll see a check or download button. Tap to fetch the official firmware and let the phone verify the package before installation proceeds. After verification, let the firmware download completely. Interruptions cause corruption. You'll see progress bars and package size. Compare the shown size with your download estimate so you catch partial files. Once ready, tap Install. The device will reboot into recovery or an installer. You must not use the phone during flashing. Power cycles or app launches can brick the update. The installer will apply system patches, then reboot twice while optimizing apps. When the phone restarts, check Settings About Phone to confirm the new Android build and security patch date. If it boots slowly, that's normal. Let it finish app optimization. If you hit a boot loop, boot to recovery and wipe cache first, and only if that fails, use safe mode or reinstall the update package. Make sure the system is stable before restoring backups. If problems persist, note error messages and consider returning to stock via Oppo's official service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.